Hi, I'm Sebastien, and I'm here with Roger.
Hi guys.
And we're in rural Texas here. Where are we, Roger?
Rock Island right now, I believe.
Is that turn left here?
Yes. Yeah,
Excuse me while I maneuver the car around here. And so tell me, Roger, where are we? What are we doing?
We're heading to Boerne, Texas for a rudder workshop starting on Friday and Saturday, but we're dropping off a kit on the way down to the workshop.
That's right. So we departed this morning at what, 6:30, 7 o'clock?
I departed at 6 o'clock myself.
That's right, from the factory in Mexico, and then you picked me up.
Exactly.
And we're in the cargo van. We'll obviously show a little bit more footage shortly, but we got, how many kits we got in the bag?
Oh, we got like 3, 2.5, 3, 3.5, a little bit of everything. And a bunch of 13 rudders being built at the workshop.
Right. And so, and right now we're on the way to a customer's house, and we're going to be hand delivering this kit, right?
That is correct. Yes, complete 750 Super Duty.
So we'll do a little bit more video when we do that, and we'll touch base with you. And so we've been driving all day. What do you think of the trip so far? How's my driving, Roger?
It's fine. We went through a lot of rain for a while, for about 3-4 hours, and but overall it's been so far uneventful. So
yeah. And so yeah, it's kind of a good way to do it. It's kind of nice to get on the road trip. I know you did a few tech phone calls and emails, and I did the same thing. And but at the same time, it's kind of nice to get away from the office and meet with customers. And we look forward to spending a couple of days in Boerne, Texas, with the rudder workshop and meeting with Zenith customers. Yeah, there's something on the road. We've been seeing some dead wild hogs, and I think that's another. No, that's a trash. That's a trash bag. But it's already a little bit different climate out here in northern Texas. It's 80 degrees right now, and we left this morning. I think it was actually kind of warm this morning.
Yeah, it was in the high 40s or something.
Yeah, something like that. But definitely already a different climate. So anyway, we'll touch base and continue to share a little bit more information about this trip.
Yep, looks good. Let me know if you find anything. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Well, Paul, we got the kit unloaded. So does this look like an entire airplane here?
No, it does not. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I left you a bunch of room today, thinking it was going to be like the layout. Okay?
Right, and like I told you, we've got a few additional kits in the back of the van, so we know how to pack these things.
I was gonna say. Yeah,
so,
I'm looking forward to it. I really am. This has been a lifelong dream to have not only the hangar, but to build, my own plane that's reasonable. Okay, with insurance and everything on the CH750, gas, everything, about $30 an hour.
Yeah.
And versus the T6, which was $286 an hour.
Yeah, T6 is a little bit bigger, and of course you'll be able to fly it back right literally in your backyard here.
One is like $500 an hour, so it's going to be much cheaper.
Oh yes,
much cheaper.
And you've got a beautiful spot to do this. So quickly, I had asked you earlier, what was your day job? What's your background?
I was an aeronautical engineer for 48 years. The last 13 years, I worked for space as a NASA for a quality assurance space propulsion engineer.
Wonderful.
I did 170 flights, all of which the stickers are only a portion of there on my toolbox. And without one mishap, so I did my job.
Wonderful.
I did my job. So that's just some. After that was, I've done everything, worked on everything from 707, from the very first plane, all the way to 787 and F4 to F35, and the space shuttle as well. So I've
So-
got a pretty good background.
Roger, you supported a lot of customers. Is he going to be a difficult one to support, or is he going to have the qualifications to
Time
go?
will tell. We'll see.
I think
No,
that-
he'll be just fine.
I don't believe it's going to be difficult. I think what's going to be interesting is how well you guys did the blueprints. And for me, it's going to be millimeters. It's the first time I've worked with millimeters.
No, yeah,
Great.
I think you'll appreciate millimeters. There's a reason the rest of the world is gone millimeters.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah.
work with thousands. I'm used to 1/10,000,
Yeah,
2,000s, micrometers, the whole 9 yards. But millimeters, I've got all the scales. I bought new scales. I bought new tapes. I got everything's accurate millimeters.
Wonderful.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Well, it's been our pleasure to be able to deliver this right into your home, and we'll look forward to seeing how your project goes on. And you've got such a wonderful spot back here
Yeah,
to fly
that's
your
gonna be-
airplane in and out of.
Yeah,
right in the back here.
I thank the neighbors. They graciously allowed me to land. So I'm going to be coming in over those trees and landing right at the beginning of my property.
Yeah, definitely. This would be much better just to get the feel of the area.
Yeah,
To be honest, you might not get. Does he ever have cattle in here?
No,
So it's tall. Tall. But
Take care, Roger. Sebastien. Yeah.
Well, we made it. Made it to the Boerne Airport for a rudder workshop, and look at the work ahead.
Lots of fun.
Jamie and Bill are here.
Rolling out of nowhere with the brakes on. All the crazy. Waking up and wondering.
And for you to set up.
So it should be matching.
Good morning.
We're looking at it in
Looking good.
Would you guys like to fly down here? Get you
Run it through the system and then boom, you're done. That's it.
here?